What should I do for a video? I really need an idea.
Hello, sir. You got a delivery from UPS?
Oh, what's this? Hey! It's a brand new capture card. This video is sponsored by Razer. Razer makes some of the hottest gaming gear out there, guys. They make keyboards, mice, laptops, gaming phones, everything. It's just amazing, guys, how their company works, you know. They have great customer service. And guys, right now, if you guys go to the link below, I have 20% off if you go to the link below. That link will be down below. Definitely check it out, guys. It also helps me a little bit, so, you know, let's get into the video now. Hey guys, what's up? Alternate Dimension here. I'm back after super long for something brand new and interesting. But before that, guys, today we have a brand new guest on the channel. His name is Trudy Fox. He's a brand new YouTuber, guys. I'll leave the link in the description. Do go check him out. You know, he makes Fortnite and gaming and tech and stuff, you know.
Yeah, but like my first unboxing is horrible.
Yeah, guys, definitely check that out, and you know, you'll probably already know which button to hit, the like or the dislike. So you know, so let's get into it, guys. So guys, today we have a unboxing video, something brand new. You know, I'm bringing in tech on this channel and not just gaming because Fortnite's boring now. Anyways, guys, today we have a USB 3.0 game capture card for streaming and recording and whatever.
It's made in China.
Really? Made in China though. Anyways, this does 1080p, 60 frames per second. It's super good.
How do you know it's super good?
Comments, man.
Okay.
Or videos, you know. Before buying this, I definitely looked at those. It isn't as expensive as an Elgato. It's under $100, so that's really good, guys. Good for your pocket. $80 is the price tag on this on Amazon. Prices keep changing, but anyways, guys, let's dive right into this.
You opened stuff with a screwdriver.
Hashtag screwdriver. Okay, guys, here's the big reveal. Oh my god, this is really small compared to what I thought it would be. So as we can see, it's made by AGP Tech. You know, it's got a really nice wood finish, though it's plastic. We have the USB 3.0 out here, the HDMI in and out, just some random stuff on the back. But I really like the finish on this, and it's seriously light. It's like too light.
It's like as light as these.
Yeah, he's got those fake AirPods, guys.
Yeah.
You know what I mean there. What it comes with, let's see. We got instructions.
Thank you.
Useless.
It's not an instruction.
No, that was
That was.
So we got a USB 3.0 to USB-C. This is really useful. Even if it's useful out of this capture card, even if you want to use it for something else, that's pretty good.
Got an installation.
It's got a USB 3.0 cable with it, and
an installation CD that's like
installation CD, and oh, that's the manual. Oh, that was manuals are useless. So guys, oof. So guys, as you can see here, it's got this really nice red finish here. It's
Stop talking about the finish.
The finish is really nice, man, and it obviously says 1080p USB 3.0, 60 frames a second capture. So guys, let's see this in action now. Also, guys, adding on, you know, we'll get into the action and gameplay in just some time. Disclaimer for that is, it's a stream from some time ago. Now, when I don't know when I'll be able to upload this video, but creating it, I think it'll be long before I upload it. So this is an old Fortnite. It's an old stream, but you know, just showing you guys. One plugged into your laptop through your USB 3, or USB 2, but it'll be slower anyways. There's this green indication light here that's pretty helpful, but you know, before getting into action, I also want to say one more thing. Don't forget to check out the link below for Razer, as they have sponsored my channel, or more like affiliate. But also, guys, if you want cheap, like dirt cheap tech, some of the hottest tech out there, including those AirPods 1-to-1 Super Copy that that True Default has. As you can see, these are pretty nice if I can get them to open. I have all the models, cheapest to the there's the cheapest to the best models on there, guys. Do check it out. The link is in the description. The website is called Tech Drops, and they have fast shipping. And trust me, I ordered stuff from there, and generally the tech is really cheap there. So if you want some of the hottest tech, guys, go check that out. And if you want the hottest gaming gear, guys, go check out Razer. 20% off from that link in the description. So guys, as you can see, this is like a really good capture card. I'm really happy with my purchase here. I use this all the time. As far as heating up and everything, they have some pretty good ventilation. You would feel it getting hot, and if you stream for more than 2 hours, maybe, right? Video does get a little sluggish, but I feel like that is great performance for the price right now, guys. So for when I bought it, it was $80, but 100%, I'm pretty sure the price it probably went up. But this is supported on Mac, Windows, Linux,
and the price should be under $150.
Yeah, I don't know about the pricing, but also this it's plug and play, guys. No drivers needed. And it also works with OBS, Streamlabs. Streamlabs and OBS, they'll just automatically detect it as a video capture device, I think. And it works well. Honestly, from what I've seen for Elgato's also, I was planning maybe I'm gonna buy an Elgato, like just go all out. I was watching some videos and reviews of it. They said, and I was seeing that it was sluggish. Like actually, it was sluggish. Like I tried to go left. Right? Somebody showed going left. It had like a few second delay, but this doesn't have that, guys. So, guys, check that out. Check out True Default's channel in the link below. Check out Razer for the best and hottest gaming tech. And obviously, check out Tech Drops, guys. It's not really a sponsorship or anything, but you know, it's just something that I found is kind of just helpful. So guys, check that out. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you later.
We can make a wildfire get away.